Hey beautiful soul flowers, it's Goo, aka Nathaniel Boo Boo. Thanks so much for coming down to my mystifying dojo. Today, I want to talk about Himalayan pink salt and why you should be consuming a small glass of salt water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This stuff is an amazing counteragent to the pathogens that cause us to feel sick this time of year. It comes ground up in a package, and it comes in lamp form. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to battle a cold with some cool pink salt. Much love, much hugs. Himalayan pink salt contains 84 different trace minerals, and since liquids are absorbed quicker than solids, mixing a teaspoon of salt with an 8-ounce glass of water will increase the minerals' rate of absorption into your body. Absorbing these minerals first thing in the morning will provide you a strong current of energy throughout the day. As an antibacterial inflammatory, this salt can improve respiratory problems by loosening excess mucus and speeding up the clearance of that mucus. It will remove pathogens from your airways like pollen and can even decrease your sensitivity to some allergies. Drinking a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt in the morning stimulates peristalsis, or the involuntary constriction and relaxation of the muscles in the intestine or another canal, creating wave-like movements that push the contents of the canal forward. Peristalsis helps balance the stomach acid and support the production of digestive enzymes in the pancreas, which will in turn solve regularity and constipation problems. If you're feeling bloated or distended and you want to get rid of the extra fluid, drink the salt water and you will stimulate the bowels and empty your colon. This will remove toxins and have you feeling lighter and rejuvenated. As a powerful detoxifier, this wonder salt can even help with sore and cramping muscles. When mixed with water, it becomes an ionic solution that helps draw toxins out of the skin and adipose tissues. It's packed with electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are great for regulating hydration. Himalayan pink salt is also great for combating high blood pressure because it will clear out excess sodium in your body, so you will not retain as much water. This means your heart will not have to work as hard. Decreasing your body's water retention will decrease the possibility of having high blood pressure. Alright, beautiful tiger lilies, that's all for today's episode. Danish author Isaac Dinesen once said, "The cure for anything is salt water, sweat, tears, or the sea." My name's Guru, aka White Shaman, aka Natty Boo Boo, and as a top-tier stretchiologist, a decorated nutritionist, and a first-team all-shaman wellness savant, I highly recommend mixing a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt in a glass of water and chugging it first thing in the morning. Give it a try and let me know what you think of your results. Thanks again for joining me in the Doge. I created this channel out of love, so please show me some back by subscribing, sharing this video with your loved ones, and writing me a comment or a poem down below. Peace.